how to uninstall the new Outlook and restore the classic Outlook. So here I'm using the new version of Outlook. So recently Microsoft has introduced an update to Outlook where they have changed everything right here, and they also removed some features that was available on classic Outlook. So if you prefer using the classic Outlook, what you need to do is that you can just convert, or I mean revert to the classic Outlook right here in the new Outlook. So other people have like a toggle button right here to restore to the classic Outlook. So you can just click that toggle button right here if it is available to you. But if not, you should be able to go right here to help, then click the help tab, then you should see the option right here to go back to the classic Outlook for Windows. So you can click that, and then when you click on it, it will give like a window right here where you can go and have some feedback survey right here. Then you can answer that if you want. But for me, I'm just going to skip the feedback, and then we should now be automatically redirected to the classic version of Outlook. And then that is basically it. So you don't need to uninstall the new version of Outlook anymore. And then as you can see, I have the classic version of Outlook open right here, and then I also have the new version of Outlook right here. So I can go back and forth, and then I can use them simultaneously. But if you really want to uninstall the new version of Outlook, then you can go to your Windows and then search for add or remove programs. From here, you can click that. Then you will see your installed applications right here. So in the search bar, just type in Outlook. Then you will see Outlook right here. So just click the three dots and then click uninstall. So if you want to uninstall it permanently. Personally, I want both versions of Outlook right here so that when I need them, I still have both options. But that is basically it. So that is how we can restore the classic version of Outlook. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.